All right, just a quick little video to highlight a couple of real nice low-risk trades today. Dow was down 41 points. We actually dabbled somehow. I don't know how it happened, but ended up in almost all low-priced stocks today. And it's really not our specialty, but it's just kind of what happened today. E-Trade, for example, ETFC. We love the daily chart going into today. Huge volume on Friday, so we had this on watch all day. Formed such a low-risk setup, I had to share it. Had to make a video on this one. You had these are 30-minute candles, one of our favorite setups. You have the opening candle, a lower top, and a lower top, or lower high and lower high. A nice narrow candle here. So we call this at 183 right here. Worst case stop below the previous candle, 179. So a 4-cent risk. And from 183, this thing goes to 204. That doesn't seem like much, but that was 11% profit potential there. And E-Trade was liquid enough you could have traded it as thick as you wanted because it traded, let's see, for example, 322 million shares today. So it wasn't like a thin low risk or a thin high risk stock there. So E-Trade, 11% profit potential on 4 cents risk. A really nice one today. Another example, KERX. This has been very strong. One of those kind of crazier low priced biotech stocks, but we called this one also on the 30 setup today. Consecutive lower tops, nice narrow candle. 213 was the trigger. First break of a previous 30s high, so right here, 213. Worst case stop below the previous candle's low at 209. Another 4-cent risk, and from 213, this thing went to 242. Another really nice 13% profit potential there. So, these aren't huge trades, but they gave you nice profit potential on what I love is the 4-cent risk, and both of them paid off very nicely. Also, an early trade in Sequinome, which if you trade at all, this one can be a little bit crazy. Called this just on a break of its early high of day right here at 597 and quickly popped to 634. And that's why we had it on watch, because we know it can do this. And so Sequinome gave also a 6% profit potential on a pretty low risk as well. And again, we had some others, but just wanted to highlight a few of the, really liked the KERX 30s entry. Go back to that real quick here. Really liked this, a trigger here with a stop here, 4-cent risk, and E-Trade as well. Trigger right here with a stop right here, another 4-cent risk, and both of them, double-digit profit potential as far as percentage goes. So, all right, we're going to wrap this up. Try to send out some picks, some charts maybe later this week. Have a great night.